All right, you guys, it's Tuesday with the country opening up again. Wedding season is in full effect, and let me tell you, brides, they are done waiting. And one crucial element of that big day, putting your best face forward. So here with this year's bridal makeup trends, our beauty expert and makeup artist, Christina. Hey, Christina.
Hello.
So, weddings, your specialty. I can imagine you're in the thick of wedding season right now.
It's insane. You weren't kidding when you said that people are done waiting. Restrictions dropped and people want full speed ahead. We're talking weddings planned in 2 months, weekday weddings, wherever they can get in, they are trying to get married this year. It's nice though, because we're seeing weddings done a little less conventionally, and I personally love to see that unconventional wedding.
Well, clearly, at Current, we love unconventional as well. So when it comes to bridal makeup, though, what are some trends that you're seeing right now? What are the ones that you're seeing most and that your clients want?
So obviously, we keep on talking about the biggest thing, as we know, that keeps on trending is skin. So with everybody focusing so much on skincare the past year with their home regimens and wearing less makeup than ever, there's a huge focus on complexion. That no makeup look where skin looks naturally radiant, which means we're seeing lots of lightweight, radiant finish foundations. And then since it's skin first, people are playing up that simple look with pops of color, especially on the cheeks. We're seeing blush everywhere, both in cream and powder forms, and beautiful pink and peach tones. And they're complemented with highlights that focus more on glow and less on that shimmer strobe look, which I love. Even contouring is being done with blush and soft bronzing as opposed to that harsh contouring of seasons past. And then those pops of color are carrying on to the eyes. I'm seeing a lot of pink and rosy tones, less glitter with more subtle shimmer, less cut creases with more natural contour, and a lot of earth tones. And as you can see, fluffy brows are in all of these images, and fluffy lashes and natural eye shape are those focuses right now. And the shadows and the liners enhance those natural features instead of overpowering them, which I love. And then now that masks are gone, brides are having fun with lipstick again. We're seeing lots of bold, bright colors, bright pinks, blurred reds, deep rose tones. And with pink being so popular across the board on lips, cheeks, and eyes, we're seeing a lot more monochromatic looks for that fresh-faced finish.
I would say, when I ask you, because you've done this so many times, what's your best advice to brides going into this trial period or figuring out what they want for their look?
I always say, do your research, find pictures of makeup looks that you like on people with similar coloring and features as you. That plays a huge role in how it translates onto your skin. Definitely have your trial with your makeup artist beforehand so that you're 100% comfortable with your look for your big day. And skincare, I always say, like, make sure you're hydrating, make sure you're taking care of your skin, because it all starts with the condition of your skin first. If you don't have healthy skin, your makeup is never gonna look good no matter how good your makeup artist is.
Now, I have a personal question for you.
Yes.
Do you, when it comes to bridesmaids, how they want their stuff done, do you kind of tone it down and the bride obviously looks better, or do you go with what their request is?
I try and meet in the middle. If there are over-the-top bridesmaids, I always say, you know what, it's the bride's day. We're not going to overpower her makeup. We'll make sure you look just as good.
Gotta play a little game there, because we all want to look great.
Exactly.
All right. This is awesome, great stuff to keep in mind. If you're getting married this summer, if you're attending a wedding, or if you're a bridesmaid, don't be over demanding. Thank you, Christina. And you can also check out our Beauty Beat, of course, every Tuesday here on Current. And for more skincare and makeup tips, you can follow Christina on Instagram, of course. That's at makeup by Christina G_.